Hi friends, my name is Akhila. Welcome to my channel Life Science Topics. Before going to the topic, if you like this channel, please do subscribe. Today's topic is FSSAI, that means Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Food Safety Authority of India is an autonomous body which is established under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. It is passed in 2006 and came into force on 2011. The headquarters of this FSSAI is located in New Delhi. Then various acts and orders of FSS Act 2006. Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954. Food adulteration means any external things that are added to the food like flavor enhancer, preservatives, etc. Fruit Products Order 1955, Meat Food Products Order 1973, Vegetable Oil Product Order 1947, Edible Oils Packaging Order 1988, Milk and Milk Products Order 1992. FSSAI role in food quality. Science-based standard for article of food and to regulate their manufacture, storage, distribution, sale and import to ensure the availability of the safe food for human consumption. It regulates manufacturing, storing and distribution, sale, import of safe food for human consumption. The structure of FSSAI, it comprises a chairperson and 22 members, out of which 1/3 are women. The chairperson is appointed by central government. There are only 87 national accreditation board for testing and calibration laboratories, whereas more than 1,500 private labs in India. The key process in FSSAI that include set standard of food products, develop safe food practices, license food businesses, ensure compliance through inspections, test food for standards, train and build capacity, citizen outreach. Then function of FSSAI, framing of regulation to lay down the standard and guideline of food safety, granting FSSAI food safety license and certification for food businesses, lay down procedure and guidelines for laboratories in food businesses, to provide suggestion to the government in framing the policies, to collect data regarding to contaminants in foods, identification of emerging risk and introduction of rapid alert system, creating an information network across the country about food safety, promote general awareness about the food safety and food standards. Mainly the function of FSSAI include providing the safety of food, controlling the safety of food, and granting FSSAI license, then avoiding the contaminants in food products, avoiding the risk from consumption of food, creating the information network to avoid the food contamination, general awareness, providing the general awareness about safety and standard of food. The next is FSSAI license. Businesses having annual turnover above 20 crore can apply for FSSAI central license. It is a central government license. So when the annual turnover above 20 crore can apply for the FSSAI central license. Eligible food businesses operators like importers, manufacturer, operators in central government, railway, airport, etc. need to take the central FSSAI license. Then highlights of Food Safety and Standard Regulation 2011. I already said that the FSSAI Act passed in 2006 and the rule came into force on 2011. It covers the licensing and registration, packaging and labeling of food businesses, food product standard and food additives regulation. It prohibits and restricts on sales or approval for non-specified food and food ingredients that may cause harm to human health. It also provides food safety and standard on organic food and regulates food advertising. Mainly the FSSAI that covers licensing, registration, standard for food products and food additives. This authority restricts approval for the sale of non-specified food and food ingredients. Here the non-specified food which cause harm to the human health. Mainly this authority which aims in supply of safe food to the consumer. The next is some of the important question about FSSAI. The headquarter of FSSAI is located in the answer is Delhi. Present chairman of FSSAI, Rita Teosia. The commissioner of FSSAI under the section, the answer is section 30. CEO of FSSAI is Arun Singhal. He is appointed on May 29, 2020. FSSAI launched a logo for fortified food is, the answer is square with an A+ sign with a ring. The next is about 60 days will take to get a FSSAI license once all the documentation and fees payment is done. 60 days is needed to get a FSSAI license after the documentation and fees payment is done. Next is composition of food authority in FSSAI. There are mainly 22 members in which 1/3 will be a woman. As per the FSSAI, standardized milk should contain 4.5% of fat and 8.5% of SNF. SNF for solid, not fat. The solid content of milk other than fat. FSSAI deals with the packaging and labeling in chapter. The answer is in chapter 4. These all about FSSAI, that is Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Thank you.